Upgrade your legacy vending machine to a digital vending with Trio Revision Kit. A smart vending attachment for your dispensing device. With its smart and intuitive touch UI, customers can navigate, browse, and select their desired products. Trio is compatible with multiple payment options. You can complete transactions using your credit card by inserting, swiping, or tapping to purchase the product. For closed user groups, purchasing and dispensing products using an access card is available. Alternatively, cash transactions are also accepted. We make sure to offer personalized customer experience with Trio's multi-language support. Monitor your machine's temperature and receive instant alerts, keeping your products in optimal condition. Utilize Trio's custom advertisement space to maximize your marketing efforts by scheduling banner and screensaver ads. The expiry product tracking feature ensures product quality and freshness by delivering timely product alerts and notifications. Trio Daily streamlines the restocking process with the pick list feature. Operators can purchase the required products for restocking and seamlessly navigate to the machine location with the help of the Trio Daily app to complete the restocking process. Plus, Trio handles tax calculations for all products, ensuring transparent transactions for both operators and customers. Embrace innovation, upgrade your vending business with Trio. Contact us today.